If you're a renter and you just moved into a new home or an apartment, you might be wondering if your drinking water is safe. The most important thing to do is to test your drinking water. Even if you're a renter, you should test your drinking water because it's going to tell you what's in your water. Once you know what's in your water and you have your results back from a certified laboratory, you'll be able to choose the best water treatment technology for your home. And there are wonderful products available for renters to improve their drinking water with. Just because you rent your home and you don't own your home does not mean you cannot have safe drinking water. Always remember to test before you treat. You might not need a water filter at all. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you do have further questions, please leave them in the comments below and we will get back to you. See you next time.